Well, hi, and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I am in the kitchen making some chicken fried rice with pineapple. Yes, you know how we all love chicken fried rice. We all love pineapple fried rice. I'm gonna combine the two because the two together will be absolutely delicious. So, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and start with our ingredients. So first I have a chicken breast that I have been marinating in some soy sauce. I have some leftover rice. The best rice to use for fried rice is cold leftover rice. So always cook it a day in advance or either in the morning if you're gonna cook it later that evening. I have a regular onion, some green onions, and I have some pineapple tidbits. These are the little bitty pineapples that are already cut up into little bitty pieces, okay? Save you some work right there. I've got some vegetable oil, soy sauce, 1 egg, and of course some black pepper and garlic powder, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and let my oil heat up. And then I'm gonna slice up this chicken and cook this chicken. So my oil is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken breast. I'm gonna go ahead and scramble me an egg. I'm going to, while that's cooking, I have a larger pan that I'm going to actually cook the fried rice in. So I'm gonna heat up some oil in here as well. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding things to it. First thing I'm going to add are my onions. I wanna go ahead and make sure that they're cooked nice and good. So I'm gonna add those first. So I just realized how much rice I have. So I added an extra piece of chicken in here. I'm gonna add a little black pepper to our chicken and a little garlic powder. And stir up our onions. And I think our chicken is about ready to flip. Roll some of that oil around. Make sure you lay that on top of that oil. Let that flip in there. Our onions are about done, so I'm going to go ahead and start stirring up our rice in there. Yeah, that's quite a bit of rice, so it's a good thing I added some extra chicken. Mix that up with those onions. And let that cook for a minute. And then I'm going to dice this chicken up and add it to it. Here's one of my pieces of chicken. I'm going to go ahead and slice it up into small pieces. Go ahead and add this one. While that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg to the grease that the chicken was in. Scramble up this egg. We're gonna go ahead and add our egg. Add our soy sauce. I'm gonna slice up the rest of this chicken. Okay, I'm going to add the rest of my chicken. It's smelling good up in here, you guys. Smelling good. I'm going to go ahead and add my pineapples. A little black pepper. And some garlic powder. Now I'm going to add my green onions. And voila, we are done. We have pineapple chicken fried rice, you guys. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell it up in here. Okay, so the fried rice is ready, and of course, I'm ready to taste it. So, let's get me a little bowl full here. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. It's hot, but you can smell the sweetness of it. That garlic, of course, didn't have to put any salt in it because of that soy sauce. Look at this. Give me a second, let me blow it, y'all. Those hot pineapples will burn you. I love pineapple fried rice. You just bite into that sweetness. The sweetness with the onions and that chicken is so tender. Excuse me, just for a minute, y'all. Let me enjoy myself for a minute. Now, you know you can make it without the chicken, or you can make it without the pineapples. Fried rice is fried rice. It just depends on what you want to add to it. You can add some extra vegetables to it and have vegetable fried rice, or you could have had shrimp. You had shrimp fried rice. Oh, this is good, y'all. Well, I'm gonna finish eating this because this is good. But for those of you who are new to my channel, Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share it all day long, okay? And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.